Okay, we'll blame Mother Nature with this ridge of high pressure. You get snow on the ground from Salt Lake and Logan all the way south to Cedar City, and these high pressures very quickly. You have the inversion setting up, but the good thing is we have this cold front that's out on the west coast, and that's going to bring us some better and more improving weather. Now, temperatures are going to be quite different from the valleys, around 30 degrees at the airport to 40 degrees on the benches as a result. So look for temperatures today to be right around 30 at the airport, a little bit warmer up higher, and then we have 34 in Vernal, 40 in Price, Cedar, and a lot of sunshine. It's a nice day today. Actually, if you're out of the valleys and you're in the mountains, anybody who was fortunate enough today to go ski, today was the day. Now, tomorrow, the chance for showers, you see this is the new computer model. This is for tomorrow, all the way from about Salt Lake City northward to Montpelier. There's going to be a mix of precipitation, and that's a problem because we'll be 26 in the morning in Salt Lake, 24 in Logan, and if there's any rain that falls down into the inversion, that could be freezing rain, and that could be a real problem. So we'll have a mix of precipitation in the morning, and my suggestion is that you let your better part or your husband or your wife, whoever's watching, let those who are driving to work and back know that they may need to leave a little bit extra early tomorrow. For central and southern Utah, it remains partly cloudy, really not too bad. Now for St. George, the expected high is 53 today and 56 for tomorrow. We're up to 59 on Sunday. Then that weak storm moves by Monday. That's going to bring us a chance for a few showers. Let's look at the northern forecast. Now, 30 again, the projected high around the airport could be a tad warmer than that. 36 tomorrow, and again 26 in the morning. That means the mix of precipitation that this is like a 40–50% chance. It's not widespread, it's not much, but if you're 26, any light rain would cause the roads, especially the bridges and the overpasses, to become a problem. 38 on Saturday, 42 on Sunday, and then we have another little weak weather front coming in on Monday, and that's the weather front that, well, could also bring a little rain and snow. The good news is you're not seeing highs in the 20s anymore. You're seeing highs in the 30s and 40s. And that, my friends, is better news. All those 20s we had in November, 6 days of 20s, 1 day in the teens, that's got to be some kind of a record.
Yeah, absolutely.
It doesn't happen very often.
But we like storms now to clear this junk out.
Any storm now will help to clear the haze, clear the unhealthy air quality.